What's up guys, this is Bjorn.
And this is Ryan.
And today we're going to bring you the new Hydro Blast system that we've been coming up with recently. This is the 900 edition. What it totes is we got a 1700 PSI pressure washer basically over here.
Also, this machine will be heated, so you guys are going to be able to throw any part that you want here and clean it up with no problem. Basically, the main benefit of having a metal cabinet is that you guys can put heavier parts in here as well as larger parts. This is going to be something that we implement with the 2000, the 3500 large metal machines so that you guys can put whatever part you want to inside of one of these Hydro Blasts and clean them up. Because this machine has a heater, it is 220 volts, but it does have a low air requirement because it's only for the feeder pump. So this machine also will ship with a windshield wiper. It's just not on it right now. This one is actually coming through the pipeline. We just wanted to pull it out here and show you guys what to expect from us. And again, the main reason for these metal machines is so that you guys can put heavier and larger parts inside of a Hydro Blast and be able to understand the benefit no matter what your part is.
As mentioned before, this is the 900 series. We also have a 2000 version of the cabinet as well as a 3500 and potentially in the future a 4000 version. You should be able to get all your needs as well.
So if you guys are interested in picking up a metal Hydro Blast, you can actually call us at 828-202-5563 to learn more about each of these machines and figure out which one will work best for you. We hope you guys like this. If you have any questions about it, please leave it in the comments below. And again, thank you all for watching. We hope you get one of these things soon. Peace.